Welcome, we will continue the session. I hope the screen is showing now, and we will proceed. Before we continue, if you have comments, inquiries, or suggestions about a program or an issue with Blackboard, we can discuss that. Let's continue. We talked about LibreOffice and said we would quickly review it. Go to Google, type LibreOffice download, open the first link, and click download. We identified that to download. A specific website program proposal has a problem with the Blackboard. We can also talk about it, or something that is necessary. We will continue now. We discussed the program named LibreOffice, and we quickly review it. We go to Google, search for LibreOffice download, open the first link, and click download. To download, specify the version. If we are using Windows, take the Windows version and determine if it's Windows 32 or 64 based on your device. Mac or Linux versions are also available. Download the program, it saves in downloads. Once downloaded, open it like any other program. To quickly go through installation, we must determine which version of Windows we are using. We must take the version that is specific to Windows and also determine whether it is Windows 32 or 62, depending on the device we are using and the Windows we are using. And the capabilities of the device. If we are using a Mac or Linux, the versions are available. We download the program, and then this program, since it installs on your device in the downloads folder, will be saved there. Once the program is downloaded, you can open it. If we want to quickly go through it, we download the program and it will be saved on the device. When the program downloads, it appears as a link here, and a copy of it will be in my downloads folder. It takes time because its size is 146 megabytes, so we let it take its time while it's downloads to our device. Once it's downloaded, you can double click on it and click next or next. The program will install on your desktop, and when we open the program, it is a very simple program. We download the program, and when it downloads, it appears as a link here, and a copy of it will be in my downloads folder. As you can see, it takes a little time because its size is 146 MB, so we let it take its time while it downloads to our device. Once it's downloaded, it will be just like any other program. We double click and select next or next based on language. The program installs on our desktop, and when opened, it is simple. We just open our file, PDF or ANK. Opening the file displays the PDF. It works in Arabic or English. You can make simple edits to a PDF, even in Arabic. For example, hover over download and rename it to install or similar. It's like editing, and it updates. We need to open our file, PDF or ANK. When opened, it shows the PDF. You can make simple edits. If download is present, hover over it and rename it to install or download. It gets modified. I can change the PDF, like rephrasing or removing a word. I can delete, rephrase, or write another word. After editing, click save to save the file. In Arabic, it is normal, for example, the word download here. For example, I can, come and stand on it with the mouse like this and name it, for example, install download. What does that mean? Or as if I am adjusting, for example, okay? And it was adjusted for me. I can make the edits I want on the PDF file, and the changes are now there. For example, if I want to rephrase something or remove the word rephrase, I can delete it easily. I can just delete the word normally, or write another word instead. I can edit and do whatever I want, and after I'm done editing, I go and click save to save my file. One of the advantages of the program is that if you have an issue with Word, for example, let's say there's a problem with Word and you urgently need to open a Word file, you can easily open a Word file here without any issues. You can open this file and work with it normally. And it opens the Word file, and you can work on the Word file normally, adding, writing, and doing everything you need to do on the Word file. Then you save the file, and you'll also have a copy of the Word file. Of course, you can just do save or save as without any problem. It gives you a copy, whether it's the 2007 version, the 2010 version, or 365, and you can also have that in case you encounter any issues. The program can also export files as PDF, so you can take the file you've created and say export it as a PDF. The advantages of the program mean that you can make simple adjustments, and it can also open Word files if there's an issue with the program. Among the things we also want to see is that we can, for example, check the chat first. God willing, the file will be sent to you in Word. Dr. Ahmed has written this in Word, so we will clarify this part for you. If we don't have time, I will record a simple video and send it to the WhatsApp group for the colleagues as a brief video for them to benefit from, God willing. The point I want to talk about now is one of the important things. For example, let's check the chat first. God willing, the file will be sent to you in Word. Dr. Ahmed has written this in Word, so we will clarify this part for you. If we don't have time, I will record a simple video and send it to the WhatsApp group for the colleagues as a brief video for them to benefit from, God willing. The point I want to talk about now is one of the important things. One of the things available on YouTube is that Dr. Allah also explained it in a video, and God willing, we will be available on YouTube in the search section. Yes, thank you. May God reward you well, Dr. Allah. Another important thing is when we talked about I Love PDF, it was one of the good things on how to convert a PDF file. Sure, we will clarify this part for you, and if we don't have time, I will record a simple video and send it to the WhatsApp group for the colleagues as a brief video for them to benefit from, God willing. The point I want to talk about now is one of the important things. One of the things available on YouTube is that Dr. Allah also explained it in a video, and God willing, we will be available on YouTube in the search section. Yes, thank you. May God reward you well, Dr. Allah. Another important thing is when we talked about I Love PDF, it was one of the good tools for how to convert a PDF file to images. It's available on YouTube. Dr. Allah also explained it in a video, and God willing, we will be present on YouTube in the search section. Yes, thank you. May God reward you well, Dr. Allah. Another important thing is when we talked about I Love PDF, it was one of the good tools for how to convert a PDF file to images, to pictures, to images, and this is of course important. Why do we benefit from a PDF file in images? When we talked about converting PDF to Word, it causes issues with the Arabic language. It was causing issues with the Arabic language. There are ways to access our Arabic content from a PDF. Convert the PDF to images, then use Gmail. In Gmail, use Drive, similar to OneDrive in Microsoft. Open your Gmail, go to Drive, and upload your files. Convert PDFs into images, then use Gmail, Google Mail. Drive is like Microsoft OneDrive for file uploads. In Drive, upload files via New. Upload files or folders, use Google Word and Excel like Office 365. Convert PDFs to images. The drive is like what we had in the university email, which was Microsoft. We used OneDrive to upload our files. So in Gmail, when you open your email, you have Drive, open Drive, upload files there. Through the new option, upload files or folders. Use Google Word and Excel, like Office 365. This is Google. To convert PDF to images, say, make me PDF 2GBG. Convert to images. Enter PDF and say, okay, specify if 1 or 10 pages. Say, page 2GBG. Tell it to convert to images and say, convert to GBG. Here, from the new menu, you can upload your files. You can upload a file or a folder and use Word and Excel through Google for Google Gmail. So when you convert a PDF to images, say PDF to GBG, you can convert it to images. You enter your PDF file here and say, okay, specify if it was 1 or 10 pages. You will say page 2 GBG, then convert to images or convert to GBG. It converts, or say PG2 JPG, and it converts entire file to images. It tells you here that if it's 10 pages, it will show 10 images. PDF converts to 10 images. When converted to 10 images, we benefit from Arabic content. Advantage, upload your image. When you come here to convert from here, you tell it to convert PDF to GBG and it converts to images. You enter your PDF file here and confirm. Then here, you will specify whether it was originally 1 page or 10 pages. You will say page 2 GBG, then tell it to convert to images and convert, so it will convert it. Or say PG2 JPG and it will convert the entire file into images. It tells you here that if it's 10 pages, it will show 10 images. Once converted, we can benefit from this file. You can upload to Gmail Drive and upload this image, which is a JPEG image that you uploaded. So it will convert what? You come here and tell it PG2 or JPG, and it will convert the entire file into images. It tells you here that if it's 10 pages, it will show 10 images. The PDF file will be converted into 10 images. Now, when it converts into 10 images, we can benefit from this file because it contains Arabic content. The advantage here is that you can come here and upload your image. In Gmail, in Drive, you upload the image. This is a JPEG format image that I uploaded such as